Hi everyone, today we're showing you a quick and easy salsa recipe that you can make in under 5 minutes. For this recipe you will need 1 crooked chili or a normal chili, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, a handful of cilantro, lemon juice, and 3 cloves. Next, just cut your ingredients into reasonable chunks that you can blend. After blending, your salsa is ready to be served with chips or whatever else you would like. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Share it with your friends and have a great day.